Hello everyone, this is the 16th video of Database Management Systems video series. So today we are going to discuss question set 16. We'll see. The marks of the term examinations of Kaluvilla Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AI Soft. The software should be able to store all the student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So that is the scenario. We'll see the first question. Create a database named exam_marks_db to store students' marks. Use a ER diagram to create this database. So we'll use Workbench, MySQL Workbench software to create this. First we have to open a new model. Here we have to give the database name exam_marks_db. Then we have to save the database name by clicking on rename reference. Now we can draw the ER diagram here. Here, create a table named student to store data to students' data. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here they have given all the details for the student table. We'll see. Index number, it's a primary key, varchar 10. First we'll take a table, student, index number, varchar 10. Next, first name, last name, gender, contact number. First name, last name, gender, contact number. Here gender varchar 10. Next. So that's all in student table. Next they have said the school has 2 grade 11 classes. Create a table called class to store the details of those classes. So we have to create a class table. Class ID, it's a primary key and also auto increment function. Okay, we'll take a new table. Class ID, auto increment, then class name varchar 45. Okay, this is our class table. Next they have said Create a table called subject to store the subjects taught in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Okay, in the subject table, we have subject ID, primary key auto increment, and subject name. We'll create a new table, subject. Subject ID, auto increment, subject name. This is a subject table. Next, create a table with the term exam term to store the term test in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. So here we have to create exam term table. We have to give term ID, auto increment, primary key. First we'll create a new table, exam term, term ID, auto increment, then term name, exam date. Exam date. Here it should be date. Okay, this is our exam term table. So that's all we have to do in question set 16. We will continue this question in question set 17. This is the end of my video. Thank you.